How to add people to Telegram group. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add people on one of the groups that you are in, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add people to the group, tap onto the group that you want to add people, just like this. After that, here you can find the group name at the top right here. Now select it. Then here you can find share link option right here. Now tap on it. Now simply copy the link. Copy it, or you can simply share it to the contacts which are present on the Telegram right here directly. Now copy the link. And after copying it, simply send it to that person and they will open the link and join the group. And that's it. This is how you can add people to Telegram group. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.